Good evening and welcome to Smart Investment Long Video. Today we are sharing about one of the India's leading FMCG company, that is Marico Limited. Marico Limited is one of the India's leading FMCG companies specializing in beauty and wellness products. Headquartered in Mumbai, Marico operates in 25 countries across emerging markets of Asia and Africa. The company has a strong presence in hair care, skin care, male grooming, healthy foods, edible oil and fabric care, reaching every 1 out of 3 Indians through its product portfolio. Marico has well-established footprints in India, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Vietnam, Egypt, South Africa and the Middle East. It commands a 26% market share in international FMCG business and has manufacturing facilities in India located at Puducherry, Perundurai, Jalgaon, Guwahati, Baddi and Sana. Marico's diverse portfolio includes several well-known brands from different categories. The first is hair and skin care. Like Parachute, Parachute Advanced, Nihar Naturals, Livon Serum, Kaya Youth are included. The second is edible oil and healthy foods. Includes Saffola, Saffola Oats, Coco Soul, Coconut Oil, Saffola 55 Gourmet Range, True Elements for breakfast category. In male grooming and styling, products include Tatwet, Beardo, Parachute. In hygiene and wellness, it includes Medicare and Vegiclean. Marico is a dominant player in several FMCG categories. It holds 62% market share in coconut oils, 52% market share in Parachute Rigids, 41% share in Saffola Oats, 27% market share in Valley Violet hair oils, 53% market share in Livon serums, 52% market share in hair gel, waxes and cream. Below are the financials of the company. Market cap rupees 8965, 4.5 crore, TMP rupees 635, 52-week high and low is 736 and rupees 486. Sales 10,379 crore, net profit PAT 1604 crore, return on capital employed ROC 43.1%, earnings per share rupees 12.4, price to earning ratio PE ratio 51.3, PEG ratio 8.863 year, price performance 8.04%, price to book value 17.7. Quarterly result Q1 financial year 25. Net sales rupees 2643 crore, which is 6.7% year-over-year increase. Net profit rupees 464 crore, which is 8.67% increase year-over-year. EBITDA rupees 663 crore, which is 6.94% increase year-over-year. EPS growth rupees 3.6 versus rupees 3.30 in June 2023. Moving forward, let's see domestic and international growth. In India, 4% volume growth in Q1 financial year 25. 90% of domestic business gained and sustained market share. While in international growth, Bangladesh 10% growth, Middle East and North Africa 20% growth, South Africa 28% growth, Southeast Asia flat growth. Overall international market 10% constant currency growth. Moving forward now, let's take a look on key business updates and strategic initiatives. The first is product innovation and new launches. Launch of Saffola mayonnaise and Saffola peanut butter. New gourmet style Saffola oats flavors includes nutty chocolate, apple and almonds, spicy Mexicana and cheesy Italian. The second point is sustainability and environmental goals. Net zero emission target in India by 2030 and in global operations by 2040. Strategies include transitioning to renewables, low carbon technology investment, carbon forestry and 100% phase out of fossil fuels in operation. The third point is digital and e-commerce expansion. Saffola store integrated with ONDC to increase digital presence and e-commerce capabilities. The fourth point is premiumization and product diversification. Collaboration with Kaya for premium personal care products. Projected 100 crore revenue opportunity in 4 to 5 years from Kaya's dermatologist recommended range. Future growth and industry outlook. Expected a CAGR of 27.9%, reaching $615.87 billion and $1288.52 billion by 2030. Company targets to double food portfolio by financial year 27. Double the exit ARR of digital first brands by financial year 27. Company aims to achieve a double-digit EBITDA margin in digital first brands by financial year 27. Stock gave a return of 27.15% in last 3 years. Below are the investment strategies. Buy on dips at rupees 665 and rupees 630. Target prices rupees 750, 820 and 875. Stop loss rupees 595. Time frame 8 to 10 months. From the above detailed analysis, would you invest in Marico Limited? Let us know in the below comment. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purpose only. It should not be considered as a financial advice. The content of this video does not constitute professional financial advice. Investment in equity market is always subject to market risk. Any investment decision you make should be based on your own due diligence and research. Investing in financial market carries inherent risk and past performance is not indicative of future results. By watching this video, you agree to release us from any and all liability related to any decision or actions you take based on the information presented in this video.